Hello my good people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Natural Alson here. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepoo or detangle your hair using flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is very good to our hair because it contains nutrients which are so important to our hair. This is how my hair look like before I apply the flaxseed gel. You can see how ragged and dry it is. So I prefer using flaxseed gel because it has hydrating and moisturizing properties which makes the hair soft, and by this it prevents hair loss and hair breakage. I really like using this gel. It really softens my hair. My hair was dry but now it is soft. Flaxseed also contains healthy fats which promotes healthy hair growth and also treats the scalp. If your hair is really dry and matted, try using this flaxseed gel. You will not go wrong with it because it hydrates and moisturizes your hair. Look the way this comb is running through my hair because my hair is now soft. Just look at it. And this is how my hair looks like after detangling. I feel relaxed. My hair is so soft and the shrinkage is real. Thank you for watching guys, and please do subscribe, like, share and comment to my video.